Oh, flying the drone in 25-mile-an-hour winds. Mini 4 Pro. It shakes a little bit, but that's normal, isn't it? That is mad, yeah. 250 grams and it's battling this wind. You can hear it. I've got the wind protector on though. Wow. What the, is?
No, I'm not doing that. I'm doing that myself. You can actually see it on the camera. It was actually
What the? Oh yeah, that's so slow. Oh my god, and then that's so fast. Wow. Okay. Oh! Oh my god! Look how fast it's going! What the fuck? What? Mate, that's mad. Landing. Whoa! Stay clear! Oh shit.
the bottom of these are absolutely.
Are they?
Literally.
Oh dear. Follow for more, chat!